There are some questions, so listen the answer of this question. Question number 1, could you see the salt after dissolving in water? If no, why? We cannot see the water, we cannot see the salt in the water because the salt has been dissolved in water. The question number 2, does that mean that now the water does not have salt? If it has, then where is the salt? No, it does not mean that the salt does not have, that the water does not have salt, but it has completely dissolved in the water. The question number 3, what difference did you see in the water with salt and the water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? After keeping for some time, the salt has completely mixed in the water, but the chalk powder settled down at the bottom. Question number 4, which of the two would you be able to separate from the water by a string with a cloth, salt or chalk powder? We can separate the chalk powder from the water because the chalk powder cannot dissolve in water, and we cannot separate the salt because the salt has completely dissolved in water. Dandi March. This incident took place in 1930, before India came independent. For many years, the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. They had also put a heavy tax on the salt. By this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. How can anybody live without salt? Gandhiji said, how can Allah not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji with several other people went on a yatra, means on a long walk from Ahmedabad to the Delhi to the Dandi seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. Do you know how the salt is made? The sea water is collected in shallow bed, dug in a sand. In the sand, water is allowed to dry in the sun. After the water dried, the salt remains on the ground. You have washed your handkerchief and you want to dry it quickly. What all can you do? If we are to dry our handkerchief, then first of all I will try to put it on the rope in the sunshine, or I can put it on the rope and switch on the fan. What things do you put in water to make tea? Which of these things dissolve in water? So, if we make tea, then we put the tea leaves, sugar and milk. The sugar and milk can dissolve completely in the water, but the tea leaves cannot dissolve. You have been given some mishri pieces, means the lump of the sugar suggests some ways to dissolve them quickly. If I want to dissolve the mishri in the water, then I should stir it fast, or I will heat up the liquid, or I will make the powder of this mishri. Then it will quickly dissolve in water. So this was the explanation of the whole chapter. Listen the explanation carefully. I will give you the question answer and some questions to write down in your notebook.